Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Dor Network with me, Dior Shaari. So I just got this product. I impressed a bit actually, but not sure whether it's gonna work very well. But as far I already tested, it looks good. But yeah, so that's why I wanna share to you and suggest this good product from this brand Ldnio. Okay, it's fast charging, super fast charging desktop charger, 65 watt. It's turbo. And then before we go to the unboxing, let's look into some of the pictures and also details. So this is some of the pictures. So the brand Ldnio and the product number A4808Q. Okay. So you can charge a laptop, and it has Qualcomm 4.0. There's two versions. One is 65 and one is 100 watt, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so yeah, this is the price. The one that I bought is actually 48 ringgit. All right, and then 65 watt. This okay. Okay, and then the description here. Alright. That's it. Okay. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave the link below the video after this video. Okay, so this is the product. Okay, just a moment. Oh. Okay, so beside and then behind. Yeah. Okay. Right then. On the other side. So it's come with the Malaysian standard UK power cord. Okay, sorry the flare. Right, so let's unboxing. Alright, yeah, this is on top, and yeah, below, sorry. Alright, unboxing. Nothing here. Okay, up. Right. Alright, okay, then this is the main product. Alright, so yeah. So the build actually like a bit plastic feel, not like aluminium or what. It doesn't really, but it's actually like going to be like a normal one. But yeah, suggest if it's if it's like aluminium or what is more durable. So, but hopefully it will be okay. So yeah, this is for the power cord, and this is the main. Sorry. So you see that USB 1, 13, and then USB 2, and C and C2. So 4. Okay, and then that's it. And behind the power cord, like this. So this, and yeah, right. Yep, that's it. So this is the product. So later I'm gonna do a test review. So stay tuned for the product review. Okay, so that's the unboxing. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.